Kelechi Ife and Friends brings to London the Gospel Explosion 2012. Performing live will be Kelechi Ife and the Priorities. Guest artists Muyiwa and River Songs, Rebecca, Charisma, Faith Child, Uche Agu, Sonny Badu, Gabriel Eziashi, DTWG, Noel Robinson, Andrew Bello, and Esther Adeyemi. Also launching Kelechi Ife's new hit single Champions and the album My Season. Date 11 February 2012. Venue KLM Center, Unit 1A Quebec Way, Surrey Kids, SC16 7LF. Time 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. Contact numbers 079-395-63569, 074-015-55103, 079-886-09044, or visit www.kelechimusic.com. Tickets go for £10. Come and be blessed.
Walk by faith, so it's your